Krishna Temple, Patan. King Siddhi Narsingh Malla of Patan built the Krishna Temple in Mangal Bazaar of Patan in the courtyard of Patan Palace. It was built around 1693 Bikram Sambat. The temple was established as a copy of another Hindu temple of Lord Krishna present in Mathura in India by Siddhi Narsingh Malla of Patan. The temple is entirely built with stone and does not contain wood or bronze for any kind of support. It is also said that the entire temple was built with one stone alone. There is an interesting reason behind placing the idols of Shiva and Krishna in the same temple. Towards the end of 17th century, there was a bush on the site of the present Krishna temple. This land was prepared to build for Shiva's temple. Legend says that Krishna temple was inspired by a dream. One night, King Siddhi Narsingh Malla dreamt that the gods Krishna and Radha were standing in front of the palace. So the king ordered a temple built on the same location. According to the legend, an idol of Lord Krishna was found while cutting down a bush. Since the place where the idol of Krishna was found and the land allotted for the Shivalaya was set aside, Siddhi Narsingh started worshipping the idols of Shiva and Krishna. Religious King Siddhi Narsingh Malla used to perform Havan in the Yajna Kunda regularly. Even on the day he dreamt, the smoke that came out during the same Havan took the shape of the present Krishna temple. It is believed that the temple was built in the Sikar style on the same basis. Generally, most of the temples in Nepal are built in pagoda style. But this is built in Sikar style, and one can see the influence of Dravidian and Mughal style also. Patan's Krishna temple is also known as the first temple built in Sikar style. It took 6.5 years to build this temple. This temple is considered to be very rare type with a total of 21 gajurs. The 21 gajurs in Krishna temple also have different meanings. During the regular Havan of the king Siddhi Narsingh Malla, 21 urns were installed. The name of the urns was also different. However, the name of the urns is not mentioned in the inscription of the temple. It is believed that 21 gajurs were made to represent the urn after the same urn was burned in the yajna. This temple is made of stone and has 21 gajurs, which is the most in Nepal. During a war with a neighboring kingdom a decade later, the king Siddhi Narsingh Malla emerged victorious after calling on Krishna to vanquish his enemies. In gratitude, the king built a replica of the temple inside the Sundarichur courtyard. Outside the temple is a statue of 10 incarnation of Lord Vishnu. There is a statue of fish incarnation in the east corner. Then the idols of various incarnations of God Vishnu are placed in the clockwise direction. On the first floor of the temple, one can see the carved image and script depicting the events of Mahabharata, and the second floor has a carving depicting the Ramayana. The first floor enshrines Krishna, the second Shiva in the form of Linga, and the third Lokeshwar. Among its 3 floors, there is a statue of Sri Krishna on the middle floor. There are 10 avatars of Vishnu around the statue of Krishna. This area is listed as a World Heritage Site. In front of this temple, there is a statue of Garuda, the mount of Vishnu, kneeling with folded arms atop of a pillar facing the temple, and on the back of the statue of Garud is Kotihom Mandap. Non-Hindus are prohibited from entering the temple. Every year, a huge number of worshippers throng the temple during the festival of Krishna Janmashtami or Krishna's birthday held in August-September. Thank you.